So to find ebooks or audiobooks on Destiny Discover, which is the school district's catalog online for our school or accessing any of the resources throughout the whole school district, I'm going to show you how to do that. Go to FSUSD, Family Resources Library. Again, you'll land on this page. Go to Search Follett Destiny. Click on it. And it should say our school site right here. If it doesn't, then it'll ask you to go ahead and find your school. And then you'll go ahead and do that part and then go ahead and get inside of it. And then now I'm going to show you what to do to find those audiobooks or ebooks. In the search options, change it to ebook or audiobook. First, we'll go with audiobooks. Set options, and then do your search. So I'm going to try Diary of a Wimpy Kid. And then hit search. So what I'm looking at right now is a list of a lot of the Diary of a Wimpy Kid titles. The out just means yes, it's being used right now, so I can't access those. But I did find this one. So go ahead and click the item. And then now you'll need to actually log in. And I already have my account information here, but you can also use sign in with Google. And for students signing in with Google, once they hit that, it'll realize they're already signed into an actual Chromebook. So there shouldn't be any more extra steps after that. And now it brings me back to the book that I wanted to look at. So I would first hit play, or I can do checkout, or I can add it to a favorites list. So let's do play. Okay, so some nice things with this, if you're not familiar with audiobooks, you can do book options. That just allows you for right now to look at the book, or if you actually want to check it out. This one right here allows you to set the speed of how fast it's reading, which might be helpful for some students. And then this right here, of course, is a bookmark. And then this right here sets a timer of you if you were playing it, just kind of automatically, you can have it shut off after so many minutes. But we don't need that right now. So I'll just demonstrate by clicking play just for a couple seconds so you can hear this. And then I'll just go ahead and pause it. So I don't actually want to check this book out because I want to make sure it's available for other students during the demonstration. So I'm going to hit close book. And then it just brings me back to here. I'm going to exit out of this box. Now I'm going to go back to my search options, and we're going to do a search for ebooks. Set options. And then now I'm going to do Diary of a Wimpy Kid again. Now, just a caveat, not every ebook has the option of being narrated or read to the listener or to the reader. If a book is designated as a audiobook, automatically we know that's a book you can listen to. But not all ebooks can be used as an audiobook as well. I don't know why that is, probably a licensing thing or something. So I'm going to go ahead and open this one. And I'm going to find out, can I have the option of listening to this ebook? Click on open. And this one does. When I kind of hover over here in this banner, we have this option again, and then this will be your play version. And then this right here is really helpful. So you want to click on this audio options if you need to for yourself or a student, and you can change the speeds. You have highlight options. So if you need your students to be reading along, you can do words, sentences, or no highlighting. And then you can change which voice you want it to be read into, including a Spanish voice. Now, as you can imagine, these are going to be the robot kind of voices. So they're not as fun as like a typical audio, but at least it's still reading it to the student. And that's how you would use that. So now I'm going to exit out of that. And if I wanted to actually check out the book, then I could just do check out book and it would add it to my account. But for now, I'm going to close the book. And again, you could check it out here if you want, or you can add it to a favorites list. And that's how you would try to find ebooks that might have a narration or an audio component or function to it. Again, not all of them do. Thank you.